Today I'll introduce our emergency kit and what distinguishes it from the rest, as well as explain all the benefits that comes with having a Lighthouse emergency kit in your dental practice. First off, the red colored box makes it easy to find no matter where it's stored. It has been specifically designed to overcome most dental emergencies. As you can see, there's a clear liner with the name of each drug to help the clinical staff in finding the needed medication fast and efficiently. During medical emergencies, seconds matter, and those seconds can greatly affect the outcome of the emergency. Lighthouse contains 8 to 10 essential drugs required by all dental colleges across Canada. The number of drugs will depend on which options our clients decide to go for. Even our basic emergency kit will still be compliant with the regulations. All 3 kits will come with the same exact medication. So you'll have 2 ampoules of epinephrine, 2 ampoules of atropine, 2 vials of diphenhydramine, some nitroglycerin lingual spray, some aspirin low-dose 81 mg, some instaglucose salbutamol. Also comes with some ammonia inhalants, 2 safety syringes. You'll have a 21 gauge needle with a 3 milliliter capacity and a 25 gauge needle with a 1 milliliter capacity. Also comes with some antiseptic swabs and a CPR mask. Now the only real difference between all 3 kits is that the standard kit will come with the EpiPen for adult, and then the deluxe will come with both EpiPen adult and junior, as well as the C credits that the clients would be receiving with the purchase of their kits. We also have the possibility of add-ons such as flumazenol, dexamethasone, and naloxone for dental offices that may require drug reversal agents or post-op surgery drugs. So not only Lighthouse would prioritize the safety and well-being of your patients, but it would also safeguard your practice and team members. Some advantage of having the Lighthouse emergency kit in your dental office would be the auto replenishment service, which we would be sending out the medication directly to the clinic instead of having the clinic allocate resources to go to the pharmacy. We would also be covering any recalls. So for example, if a manufacturer recalls an EpiPen, we would be replacing it for free for our clients. We also deal directly with manufacturers, so we can ensure having the best possible shelf life for our clients. We also have the Blue Drug Disposal Service, which says it in the name, the disposal of your expired drugs. And at the same time, we would be giving $2 per replenishment to a nonprofit foundation called Watershed Canada, which is protecting the shorelines of rivers and lakes. Lighthouse is a comprehensive and compact solution that will equip our clinics with everything they need to overcome any situation swiftly and confidently. With Lighthouse, you'll gain peace of mind knowing that you have every drug in order to overcome any medical emergencies that could happen in your dental office. Don't wait for an emergency to strike. Get Lighthouse today and be the beacon of readiness in your community.